Okay. First, I want to give God the glory for this victory that God has given to me. I commend the judiciary for doing a very good job, and also the team of my lawyers and the Deltans for all their support. We are very happy for this judgment. This judgment have opened more new doors for us in Delta State, in line with my more agenda, which is meaningful development for all Deltans, opportunity for all, realistic reforms, and also it will enhance peace and security in the state. Now that the Supreme Court has affirmed me as the duly elected governor of Delta State, it is now my pleasure to invite all my opposition and other people in Delta State to join me in hand to move Delta State forward in line with my more agenda. Well, I call all of them to join hand with me so that we can move Delta State forward. Because Delta State is one, we are united, and once we are united, Delta State will continue to prosper in line with my more agenda. So we want unity, we want peace in the state.
So what are you going to be focusing on? What are your key agendas for the development?
Okay, like the more agenda stands for meaningful development, opportunity for all Deltans, and we'll do a lot of reforms and also enhance peace and security.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.